Assalamu alaikum and welcome to our second lecture on the services sector of Pakistan. In this lecture, we will highlight macroeconomic contribution of the services sector of Pakistan. In previous lecture, we highlighted these 7 points. Out of these seven, first three are already discussed. Therefore, the remaining four will be covered in this lecture. So we'll start our discussion from point number 4, that is linkages with agriculture and industry. The services sector has strong linkages with agriculture and industry, and through these linkages, services sector has a vital role in increasing the efficiency of these sectors. We'll talk about few services such as financial services. Financial services provide credit, insurance, leasing and digital payment facilities to the industry and agriculture. This increases efficiency of these sectors. Advisory and technical services. In this regard, legal consultancy, engineering, and technical support services are very important. All these also boost the efficiency of agriculture and industry. ICT and digital services. These services lead to automation in both agriculture and industry. Trade, wholesale and retail services. There is a vital role of trade, wholesale and retail services such as final and intermediate outputs of industry and agriculture reach to the user through traders. Therefore, trade and distribution services connect producers with domestic and international market. Research and innovation services. Research and innovation services boost the productivity of agriculture and industry. For example, Pakistan Agriculture Research Council has a significant role in increasing the productivity of agriculture sector in Pakistan. Transport and logistics services. Transport and logistics services have a vital role. These services ensure the timely movement of raw materials, intermediate goods, and finished goods between farms, factories, and market. Agriculture supplies raw material to industry. Services enable marketing, processing, and distribution. Services improve productivity of other sectors rather than only producing output themselves. In nutshell, services sector improve productivity of agriculture and industry by facilitating digital services, providing essential services such as trading, transport, research and innovation. This was a brief on the linkages of services sector with agriculture and industry. Promotion of digital economy. There is a vital role of services sector in the promotion of digital economy. The digital economy refers to economic activities that are driven by digital technologies including the internet, mobile devices, cloud computing, AI, etc., which interconnect people, businesses, devices, data, and processes to transform traditional production, distribution, trade, and consumption. In the modern era, the importance of digital economy has increased significantly due to rapid technological advancements and the growing use of digital platforms in business, education, finance, and public services. In this regard, the services sector has a vital role because it provides the technological, financial, communication, and professional support required for digital transformation. There is a vital role of services sector in poverty alleviation and equitable distribution of income. The services sector is helpful in poverty alleviation through different channels, such as the services sector is the largest source of employment. We have already learned that the share of services sector in total employment is almost 44%. So 44% employed people are from the from the industrial sector, which indicates that a large number of households are directly getting their livelihood from the services sector. Massive shift of labor from agriculture to services sector. There is a massive shift of labor from agriculture to services sector due to relatively better wage structure in the services sector. Expansion of rural non-farm services. The rural non-farm services has a vital role in poverty alleviation and equitable income distribution, as these services provide employment to large number of people living in the rural areas. Emergence of IT sector also has a significant role. It has opened employment opportunities for a large number of skilled workers. Outflow of labor is significant source of workers' remittances. A large number of Pakistanis work abroad and send remittances back to their families. These remittances are very important for their families, especially in case of unskilled labor. Most of the families are poor, so when they get remittances, these remittances are helpful to take these families out of the poverty trap. Expansion of financial sector also has a significant role in poverty alleviation. In services sector, we have relatively higher salaries as compared to agriculture. So in this way, the services sector is helpful in reducing poverty. So these are the few channels through which services sector is helpful in poverty alleviation and equitable income distribution. Now here we have few statistics. This is a research report of 2003, and this research report is based on the data of 2000 and 2001. According to this report, the services sector has a share of 34% in employment, while agriculture and industry collectively had a share of 66%. But if we look at the number of non-poor households, then the share of agriculture sector in non-poor households is 45.84, significantly less than its employment share, whereas the share of services sector in non-poor households was 54.16, significantly higher than its share in employment. The last column is giving us the ratio of share in non-poor households to share in employment. In case of services sector, it is 1.59, which is indicating that the share of services sector in non-poor households is much greater than its share in employment, whereas the ratio was less than 1, that is 0.694 for agriculture and services, indicating that these two sectors have lesser share in non-poor households as compared to their share in employment. Now we will discuss that how services sector is helpful in strengthening regional connectivity. Services sector promote regional trade corridors which lead to regional connectivity. The trade corridors facilitate the movement of goods. They not only reduce trade costs but also strengthen regional economic integration. Telecom and digital services play a vital role in strengthening regional connectivity. Telecom and digital services connect buyers and sellers through internet and mobile networks. This connectivity not only promotes online business activities but also strengthens regional connectivity. Mass migration, labor mobility in services sector is a key factor for strengthening regional connectivity. Labor mobility in services sector such as healthcare, education, IT, and construction increases economic and social linkages among regions. The role of higher education sector is very important in bridging regional connectivity. There is a vital role of higher education sector in strengthening regional connectivity. Students from different parts of the country take admission in centrally located universities to get higher education. This is helpful in strengthening the regional connectivity. Similarly, a large number of students take admission in foreign universities. This also is helpful in strengthening regional connectivities across border. E-commerce is another factor strengthening regional connectivity. E-commerce platforms enable sellers and buyers to engage without physical barriers. Online marketplaces, digital payments, and delivery services expand regional trade and thus promotes regional connectivity. So these were the few points to highlight that how services sector is helpful in strengthening regional connectivity. And this is all for today. In our next lecture, we will highlight the performance of services sector and we'll also discuss the key issues and current challenges in the Pakistan services sector. Till then, Allah Hafiz, take care.